Top stories. Myanmar Army launches counter-insurgency operation at 4 mobile camps at Alpha I and Asian Key. Oinam residents anxiously waiting for start of water supply scheme to cope with water scarcity. And man held with gold biscuits worth rupees 80.62 lakh in Imphal. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA and now let's have the news in details. The Myanmar Army on May 16 reportedly launched a counter-insurgency operation at 4 mobile camps of the banned militant outfit United Liberation Front of Assam Independent Alpha I at Huawei in Konjac region and on an Asian K camp at Hasik region. No casualties have been reported so far. The Cdos reportedly fled the spot after the attack. The Alpha I camp was located near the headquarters of the banned militant outfit National Socialist Council of Nagaland, Khaplang and Asian Key, following the grenade blast in Guwahati on May 15, which left 20 people injured. The Indian government put pressure on the Myanmar government to act against the banned outfit, reports said. The residents of Oinam are hoping for quick start of Oinam Urban Accelerator Water Supply Scheme at the earliest to cope with the present problem of water shortage in the area. Tom TV has learned that Managing Director of Salai Holdings, Naringbam Samarjit, donated the same required for filtering process at the water supply scheme. The Oinam residents are now excited to get a taste of clean water again from the water supply scheme after a long time. Here is the report.
Oinam constituency MLA and Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakeswar has clarified to the media that the failure to provide water at Oinam is due to breaking down of a water pipeline at Irengbum village some years back. He added that the government, in discussion with the locals, are now digging a number of ponds in the area to help solve scarcity of water.
Oinam ki praja singh satpada karigumba amatta haidi disturbance amalitana hojik chali Hazar Lambi Salary, Runana, Equina Hojik Tawzeri Pukria Sisu, Equi, Masigi, all Masigi Apuiba say, Pukri surrounding the say, Masisu, returning ones and Nanabagi, Project the Yaure, Peshasulere, Tabuksha Horagadi. And just source when I'm the later. Other thing I couldn't wish you or October, part on the Shuka project later, High City, Sahi Kayagi Mamangagi, Hybrid Mamangi, Tam, Ani Amani Mamangagi, Sing Selactre. Sing Latraba, Kinki, Duda, Lingway, Hapsalaga, Sing Nakadai Laga, Kalai Sing Pidorino. The first Sing Kadai Delevage, water source typical Domini. Sing Lera Matunda, Sing Adula Akanduda, Maduki treatment plan. Sing Adu filter Tonova Konova Hybadula Kadabani.
Talking to the reporters, Executive Engineer of PSED L. Gokul Chandra Singh mentioned the factors that contributed in the failure to provide water to the locals.
Loki ising kangchalapana maram oidna ikang thada miyam da ising phajana piba ngamdabadagi koigi anauba sanction anauba funding gi makhada Oinam water supply scheme asi augment tongna koi kanna honajari part homdagi mamang da laiba somdagi ising na chingkhalaga pina basu kanna honajari aduga hojik tingkai khunau da lairiba existing water supply scheme maru oiba oiriba Oinam gi damaktadi asigi mafam asida award apa
Oinam Tomba, a laborer engaged in pond digging, told Tom TV the bank of the pond started to crumble shortly after it was filled up with water on request by the locals.
I saw Magjauna Pokisi Tawudigi, Sing Pang, the Adena, Tawuloga, Sing Tazan, the Singatan, I before Karana, Tawuloga, the Tazan before I with the Sing Tazan, the Nadi Boganda, there is another of the Sings, Tapapang. Naboyga, Amanaboyga, I quite Prasada, a saying by Sing Tapapang and Bilse, I saw Mapang.
Secretary of Oinam Merapaibi Oinam Bimola lauded Samarjit for his generosity, but lamented the filter at a water supply scheme is not functioning till date.
I retaining wall hana plan to be the work program Tagatana, fencing work program Tagatana, Taudraga, the Angang Macha, Gari Toba, Yamna Labanina, Masida Yungelo, Mayanga, Imam Siduni, Josi, Asigimatanga, Koi, Authority, Akanba, me and Changaningi, Koi department, Natana, Siki social workers in Koi municipal Municipal Council lady. Kendra mihut lady, Hari Bapuna Maxi, Tana Virakanda, Akoi Ising Jamiam, the quite a tuna, Piba Dunia Koina Pamba, Sekoi, Hundo Hunjin Tamadana, Bigano, Adugi Mahuta, Akoi Hojoji, retaining wall, Aduga fencing, Asiam Tuna Loisan View, Aduga Ising, Atuba Matam, the Sanjan Virakanda, Ising Filter, Toraga, Oinam Kungangi, Ising Wari, Asi, Kohan.
The Anti-Smuggling Unit of Imphal Custom Division today seized illegal gold biscuit worth rupees 80.62 lakh in Imphal. Acting on a tip-off, the team intercepted a Maruti van at Khairamban Bazaar and seized 2.49 kg of gold biscuit from the possession of the driver, sources inform. Fortune Developers Private Limited has presented a new house to one Khoiro Memcha of Moirang Hanuba Mamang Likai. Memcha is 58 years, is the wife of late Sadopam Nilakrishna from Sugnu. She has been living with her two sons ever since her husband died. Considering the poor condition of her house, Managing Director of Fortune Developers Private Limited, R.K. Rameshwar, built a new house for her. Memcha is a daily wage earner, struggling hard to feed her two sons and also to give them good education. Her younger son has already passed class 9, but due to financial problem, he hasn't been able to admission to class 10. On top of this, Memcha is having a lifelong disability following a serious burn injury he suffered when she was young. R.K. Rameshwar said that he wanted to help Memcha after learning the sorry state of her house.
Manaba Marup Kanasu, Amana Manaka Paminaraga, Hosik, Mayam Ubiriba Yumasi, Aina, Mayam Gai, Marupansi, Matingalina Hazavani, Lolena, Isim Sagi, Hosili, but you give him Sida, Kitang Sapana, Labor, we should have you become the Sagi own interest, Amatalate Bidagi, purely Masi humanitarian ground, Hosili films that Murupang Singi, help Kalina, you must Hazaraga, Aina, Isim Sada, Kudoloina, Bizabani, every time second.
Memcha said that she recently met the Chief Minister of Manipur in Birin, who gave her a housing loan, but the village panchayat has not taken any action so far in this regard. She sadly inquired who are responsible for depriving of her rights. However, she expressed her gratitude to R.K. Rameshwar for his kindness.
Ado pansai ki sat yobo matamda ai housing ji lokthok khare haiba pola ma thamak padagi ngasi bawo da palaga lei semni irakpaji sahi ani phaga dore sigi mathak sida kanagumba amattana aina hairubada tadana pangjalaga leibase ai adukki matik nungaiti ai gumba amana haibada haraungna yabirakadra na khallaga makhoin ai gi chak thung lokthok ambase Kanana Loktopono, Kari Dobogi, the Makta Loktopono, I won the Gihena, Wabakana Legi Abase, I am the Tijaning Bani Adubo, I Upanipa Rames Horsia, Sina, is there, Warano, is he Yumze, to my labor matam sang Waramani, no Panangamba Pangzage, Haidana, Hara Manang a Sito Bibadagi, Natsigi Yumze, I labor Pangadorini. Labor Pangadori Yumze, I get Upana Katopa. I would not see Bama let him dragadi. Sarkana lady was mine let him magadi. I labor upon my house. I check I from lady.
A two-day national workshop on scientific management of fall army worm in mass production kicked off at ICAR Manipur Center today. The workshop is jointly organized by ICAR North Eastern Hill Region Manipur Center and ICAR Indian Institute of Maize Research, Ludhiana, Punjab, with the principal objective to make the farmer aware about various ways in tackling invasive fall armyworm. Many farmers from the hills and valley attended the inaugural function, which was followed by a farmer-scientist interaction and a technical session. Addressing the gathering as chief guest, Agriculture Commissioner Suman Singh said there is no need to panic about the attack by fall armyworm because more than 36 teams of experts have already been sent to the affected areas for further studies that will help curb the manage. He further appealed to the scientists, researchers and workers of ICAR, Cow and Agriculture Department to get feedbacks from the affected villages of the state as well as the neighboring states for effective protection and management of fall armyworm.
Overall, this insect fall armyworm, it looks very interesting character to me. It feeds on its own brothers and sisters. It's very mischievous also, looks like. It runs away in the morning, in the daytime it goes and hides in the soil and elsewhere, and then it comes out in the night, starts working. Then it travels very fast, 100 kilometers overnight. Overall looks like very multifaceted character, a very a mischievous character. But like everything else in nature and in our society, everybody has weak points, so it also has weak points. Like Dr. Satyanarayan said, like it's highly susceptible to various kind of viruses and fungi and other things. So even though it might be very talented, it has its own weaknesses, and then we are also trying to control it. I would just like to highlight 2 or 3 things. As I try to conclude my speech. One is that that's what we have done.
Now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, rupees 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, rupees 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Artist khara lawzagadori Manipuri tele serial Nirupamagi damakta artist khara lawzagadori Thawai yauba nupa amasung nupi artist singna masagi photograph amasung biodata ga loinana Tom TV da pisinbiu akupa marol gi damak contact tobirau 8837265974 natraga 9402991938.
Nirupama, Nirupama, Nirupama.
Welcome back after a short break. Joint Administrative Council JAC of All Manipur Trade Union Council AMTUK and All Manipur Government Employees Organization AMGIO Manipur today jointly observed the 9th anniversary of Black Day of all state employees and pensioners at its office located at Baupupara, Imphal. President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU Bijoy Kaksing Tabam, social scientist Dr. R.K. Sanajauba Singh, faculty member of Department of Economics, Manipur University Dr. Chinglian Maishnam, and Laitonjam Bikin, Secretary General of Joint Administrative Council of AMTUK and AMGIO Manipur, shared the dais at the event.
Lakataba Pugi Perising Data, Adiman Award Perising Data, tolom sumana ko hengatsage madu awab laini aduna high liability zo madu mating pambiu high ba gimatumina recommend to biba finance commission amatanga si boko yawgite aduna apode yam jaw ko ba amadi karino da ko political will strong political will sa masi maruna employees ni matang da se government ki machete ki legite aduna legite masi no siti ka jore yam music se government si yam wa ba phiu mo mayo na ne
pangthokjariba black day sidagi henba akanba observation amasung incident mayama akhoi junction nagi dangda akhoi baton tobani haiba wahumdu akhoi jesop m2m zone logje aduna haiba wahum si thon bidana akhoi manipur government da another black day observation tawdana ba akhoi 7 central page in timely 1/1/2016 dagi with area yauna chanan biwai wahumdu thamjari.
More Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGR South constructed a water supply scheme for the resident of H. Lamchal village, 4 km from More, Tengnopal district under Assam Rifles Civic Action Program. The village, situated right on the Indo-Myanmar border, has been suffering from acute shortage of water over the years due to non-availability of natural water source nearby. The water supply scheme was completed at a project cost of 22.5 lakh within a short span of 3 months. Apart from laying the pipeline from a faraway water source and water pumping facility, the scheme includes construction of sheds for safe and hygienic storage of water and provision of dedicated syntax tank with 1,000 litre storage capacity to the houses and also at the water source. The scheme will provide round-the-clock supply of clean and hygienic water to the 17 houses of the village. The water supply scheme was inaugurated by Brigadier Sunil Shioran, Sena Medal Sector Commander 26th Sector Assam Rifles, and handed over to the villagers after being put on trial run for 2 months. The inauguration ceremony was attended by approximately 80 villagers of H. Lancham and the village chief and secretaries of 5 nearby villages.
Our needs, and Assam Rifle will make sure whatever is required for prosperity all along the IMB or Indo-Myanmar border, we will be doing our best. Thank you for the cooperation by the village. My heartfelt gratitude to the chief, and hope we do such projects with other needy villages which also have approached us, and we will see how we can do it to our best ability.
The Cultural Forum Manipur today organized its 61st Foundation Day Count Felicitation Program at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Auditorium, Imphal. The celebration marked the Diamond Jubilee of the Forum. 4 national awardees, namely Rajkumar Singhajit, Alam Indira, Dr. Adhikari Mayum Radhamanbi and Buddhi Chandra Haisnamba, were felicitated on the occasion. In his speech, Padma Shri awardee Rajkumar Singhajit stated that cultural harmony is the essence of peaceful coexistence in a society.
Association amaibachi irai laiba thabak nati karigama khulama matina da thabak ma pangthok paisi irai laiba thabak nati masa sahi thuga ma thoi chana tawraiba khanna mayang sang khaba sahi ma thoi ki laksang asi kapsari barangi pirana je paile ne chenthari ba mayam se koina soidra ma koi bo akoi ta tawiman khangba utpachumni koi khana tagali.
The Kiamgai-Kerau road stretch, also known as Kerau-Kerampally, which has been left without black topping for over 10 years, recently got black top under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana (PMGSY). The work started from 8 of this month, but it has been halted by the residents protesting for quality of the work. Chief Advisor of Cdos, a local organization, Muhammad Abdul Wahab, rejected the claim by the contractor named Muhammad Thambo that work has carried out with the consent of the local club members. Muhammad Abdul Wahab urged the concerned authority to ensure quality control while blacktopping the road.
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CMꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Titular King of Manipur Leisemba Sanajauba, along with all the custodians of Sanakonung Royal Palace, has condoled the untimely demise of Laithangbam Inunganba Ojazoi, who passed away yesterday after an illness. Late Inunganba was a member of Sanamahi Thogal Kanglup, who dedicated his soul and body in the efforts to build Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple at Nongaijing Hilok. Now let's have a short break.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Note iski oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college cha lakpituna admission tawihoro akak na basigni.
Welcome back. The arrested Alpha Protox faction leader Pranamoy Rajguru and Assamese actress Jahnavi Saikia were produced in court today. Rajguru, who had joined the rebel group in 1986, was lodged at Latasil Police Station and Saikia at Pan Bazar Women Police Station. Rajguru and Saikia was arrested on May 16, 2019 in connection with May 15, 2019 grenade blast in Guwahati, in which 12 people, including 2 SSB personnel, were injured. A social and political activist and independent parliamentary election candidate from Sikkim, Pasangji Sarpa, had launched a social awareness campaign, I am 371F, in Gangtok yesterday. The main objective of this campaign was to reach out to every Sikkimese to apprise them about the intricacies of the special provision guaranteed to Sikkim by the Indian Constitution and to empower them to stand up and take a decision for the future of Sikkim. The Meghalaya government has decided to constitute the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission for the benefit of farmers in the state. The proposal to set up the commission was approved by the state cabinet during its meeting chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday. Air India Chief Aswani Lohani has instructed the airline leadership team to come down heavily on instances of sexual harassment in the company which were being reported often. The order from the airline chairman and managing director follows a complaint from a woman pilot about a senior pilot and instructor about an incident on May 5 in Hyderabad. Taiwanese legislature are scheduled to take a decision on legalizing same-sex marriage, marking a potential first in Asia. Lawmakers' pressure over the past 2 years by LGBT groups as well as church organizations opposed to same-sex marriage will choose between bills that broadly legalize the union and give couples may of tax, insurance and child custody benefits available to male-female married couples. Oxford Dictionary said that the word Modilai used by Prime Minister Narendra Modi critics to take a swipe at him is fake and does not exist in any of its dictionaries. The world's most recognized English language dictionaries tweeted a day after Congress President Rahul Gandhi used the term to take a dig at Modi. US President Donald Trump yesterday announced a proposal that will include significant changes to the way green cards are allocated by dramatically reducing the number of family-based green cards and moving towards a points-based, merit-based system that will reward, among other factors, education, skills and English language proficiency. Iran Foreign Minister had yesterday said that sanctions imposed by the Trump administration are unacceptable, but that his country is committed to an international nuclear deal that has steadily unraveled amid rising tension. On a visit to Tokyo, Mohammad Zarif defended Iran's rights to respond to the U.S. pullout from the nuclear deal last year and the imposition of sanctions. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Congress ready to tap into coalition fissures, says MPCC. Invasion of fall army worm studied. Naga People's Front NPF will not pull out, says BJP. Quiet burial given to Imphal evening. The Morning Bell. Arson of St. Joseph School, Suknu. 7 executives of KSO Gunpi block surrender before Kakching SP. Education Minister flays Desam's allegation on Go to School mission. Uranium case contained sand. Experts find out. Self-reliant training for differently abled persons kicks off. Food package, iftar kits distributed to poor Muslim families. The People's Chronicle. CBI Prof indicts 5 Cdos in 2010 encounter case. Will Stack claim if BJP government falls apart, says Gaikhangam. Dr. Indra Maisnam gets Fellow of American College Endocrinology honor. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR probes suspicious death of newborn. Imphal Free Press. 6 CDO personnel charge sheeted by CBI. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President calls BJP government a sinking ship. No disaccord in present coalition government. BJP's double standard exposed. Central team reaches state to investigate fall armyworm infestation.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Myanmar Army launches counter-insurgency cooperation at 4 mobile camps at Alpha I and Asian K. Oinam residents anxiously waiting for start of water supply scheme to cope with water scarcity. And man had with gold biscuits worth rupees 80.62 lakh in Imphal. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.